Hey there, and welcome back to Oraanj Interior Design. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and ring the notification bell so you never miss any of our tips and tricks on making your home truly spectacular. Now, let's dive into today's exciting topic, color psychology in home design, creating mood with hues. We all know that color can transform a room. Think of how a fresh coat of paint can completely change the vibe of a space. But did you know that the colors you choose for your home can actually impact your mood, emotions, and even how you feel in a particular room? That's right, color psychology is a powerful tool, and today we're going to explore how you can use it to create a space that not only looks great, but also feels great. So, what is color psychology? In simple terms, it's the study of how different colors affect our emotions and behaviors. It's been used for centuries in everything from marketing to design. And when it comes to interior design, choosing the right hues for each room can elevate the space, making it more functional, inviting, and even more relaxing. We're going to walk you through some of the key colors and how they influence the mood of your home. Ready to unlock the power of color? Let's get started. First up, let's talk about blue, one of the most popular colors in home design. Blue is often associated with calmness, peace, and tranquility. This makes it perfect for spaces where relaxation is key, like bedrooms or bathrooms. If you want a serene atmosphere, consider using soft shades of blue, like powder blue or light azure, on your walls or in your accessories. A blue accent wall can bring a sense of depth to the room, making it feel spacious and open. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Blue is great for relaxation, but what about energy and motivation? Well, that's where yellow comes in. Yellow is the color of optimism, creativity, and joy. It's energizing and uplifting, which makes it a great choice for kitchens, dining rooms, or home offices where you need a boost of motivation. Just remember, while a sunny yellow can lift spirits, too much of it can feel overwhelming. So, balance it out with neutral tones like white or grey if you're using yellow on the walls. Speaking of energy, let's move on to red, the color of passion, excitement, and action. Red can increase energy levels and stimulate the senses, making it an ideal choice for spaces where you want to feel inspired and alive, like a living room or a dining area. But be careful, as too much red can create an environment that feels a bit too intense. Instead of painting entire walls red, try incorporating it through accent pieces like cushions, curtains, or even a statement chair. Now, if you're someone who loves the idea of an inviting, comfortable space, then green might just be your go-to color. Green is deeply rooted in nature and symbolizes growth, balance, and renewal. It's the perfect color for creating a peaceful atmosphere, which is why it works so well in bedrooms and living areas. It's also a great choice for plants, so you can combine the psychological benefits of green with the actual greenery in your space. Whether it's a lush forest green for a dramatic effect or a soft sage green for a more subtle vibe, green is definitely a mood enhancer. Next, we have orange, the color of warmth, enthusiasm, and vibrancy. Orange can help create a lively, happy atmosphere, which is perfect for spaces where you entertain guests or spend time with family. It's especially effective in dining rooms and kitchens, where you want to create an inviting and energizing environment. However, like red, it's best used in moderation, as too much orange can feel overstimulating. A few bright orange accents, like throw pillows or artwork, can add just the right touch. If you want to create a space that feels cozy, luxurious, and sophisticated, then purple is the way to go. Purple has long been associated with royalty, creativity, and spirituality. Lighter shades of lavender can bring a sense of calm and relaxation to a bedroom, while deeper shades of plum or violet can create a dramatic effect in a living room or dining room. Purple is perfect for creating an intimate, calming atmosphere, but also for adding a touch of elegance to your home design. Now, let's talk about the power of neutrals. These colors, such as whites, greys, beige, and taupes, are classic choices for home design because they work with any style and can help create a soothing, timeless backdrop. Neutrals are perfect for larger spaces or areas where you want to let other elements, like furniture or artwork, take center stage. However, don't think neutrals are boring. They can be layered in different shades and textures to create depth, warmth, and interest. Plus, neutrals can make other colours pop, so feel free to add a splash of something bold to a neutral-toned room to make it more dynamic. But here's the thing about colour psychology. It's not just about picking a colour based on its general meaning. You also need to consider how the colour makes you feel. After all, everyone has personal associations with certain colours based on their experiences and preferences. For example, if you associate blue with the ocean and feel relaxed every time you're near water, then blue might be the perfect choice for your home, even if it's not the most calming colour for someone else. It's also important to think about the overall colour scheme of your home. Creating a cohesive colour palette is key to making your space feel balanced and harmonious. You can go for complementary colours like blue and orange, or analogous colours like blue and green, which sit next to each other on the colour wheel. If you're unsure about your palette, a neutral base is always a safe and flexible option, with pops of colour to keep things interesting. Let's dive into a couple of real-life examples. Take a look at this living room here. Notice how the soft grey walls are complemented by touches of mustard yellow in the cushions and artwork. The grey provides a neutral, calming base, while the yellow adds a cheerful, welcoming line. This creates a perfect balance between relaxation and energy, ideal for a room where you want to unwind and still feel a sense of vibrancy. Another example, this bedroom uses a calming palette of soft blues and greens, paired with wood accents. The colours work together to create a peaceful, restful space that promotes sleep and relaxation. It's a perfect example of using colour psychology to design a room for both function and emotion. So far we've covered a lot, and I want to leave you with a few practical tips that you can use when choosing colours for your own home. Consider the room's function. Think about how you want to feel in each space. For example, a home office might benefit from energising colours like yellow or red, while a bedroom might call for calm blues or greens. Think about natural light. The amount of light a room gets can affect how colours appear. A bright room can handle darker, richer tones, while a dim room might benefit from lighter, brighter shades to make it feel more open. Use accent colours. If you're unsure about committing to a bold colour, try incorporating it through smaller accent pieces like pillows, rugs, or artwork. Test your colours. Always try out paint samples in the room before committing. Paint can look very different depending on the light and surrounding area. And there you have it. Colour psychology is a fascinating way to enhance the mood of your home, making it a space that truly reflects your personality and needs. From creating a serene retreat with calming hues to energising a room with bold colours, the possibilities are endless. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments, what colours are you excited to try in your home? And if you have any colour psychology tips of your own, feel free to share